Hey YouTube, this is construction update 1 on the Treehouse. Well, most of it's going to be on the ground, but some of it's going to be on the tree. And here it is right here. We got a lot of progress made from what we did yesterday. We got some of the frame built. We got all the 4x4 posts in, but we still have to put studs in the walls. We have to plywood the walls. We have to put a deck right here for the floor over the rocks. We have to level everything out, and we got to put the roof on. So a lot of work. Much more updates to come. And as you can see, there's no more roller coaster here. Here's all the extra wood we had from the roller coaster, and there's all the junk over there that we couldn't salvage. And here's my new wood that I got today at Home Depot. And yeah, so this is the ground part. It's going to be the ground part, the main room. There's going to be a door either right here in front, or coming in over here from the side. All I have to do is move this plant right here, and it's like a perfect little walkway. We're going to put a deck here also. And then the treehouse part is going to be up in here, but that's my second priority. My first priority is to get this done first. And this is going to be like a waterproof room, like so rain won't get in here, obviously, because I'm putting a TV and my mini fridge in here, possibly a couch. This is a 6x6 area right here. Pretty damn big though. I mean, could fit in a lot of things. Put a fridge right in this corner, put a couch right here, table over here with the TV, and I'm going to put a plexiglass window either right here or right here. And I'm still thinking about adding like a little sunroof. I don't know, but if you have any suggestions, just feel free to comment. And I still have a roller coaster. Sky Coaster's over there. You should check out the vid. So, and I'm still building roller coasters. I have a winter project and a summer project every year. This was my summer project for this last summer. I just got it done, like I think June 6th was the finishing day. Still works good. Here's the extra cart that brand new too. I built it like a month ago. It was for adrenaline over here. And yeah. And this is my winter project. It's not really winter though yet. It's still hot as hell out here. Here's my chickens.